Hello guys, welcome back to Beyond the Formula. Today we will be solving a nostalgic PRMO 2017 question. So let's take some time and understand the question given to us. Suppose a comma b are positive real numbers such that a root a plus b root b is equal to 183, a root b plus b root a is equal to 182. Find 9 by 5 of a plus b. This was a pre-RMO 2017 question. Anyway, now what is the first thought we see when we see this kind of question? Take your time, and when you see this and you see this, why don't we take a is equal to x square and root a is equal to x, like that. Similarly, we can take b is equal to y square, root b is equal to y, right? This makes sense. So what does this first equation give us? We can say x cube plus y cube is equal to 183. And what else can we conclude? We can also say x square y plus xy square is equal to 182. Great, now we have just transformed this a bit. Something looks familiar here. I see the a plus b whole cube identity. So I'm just going to write this as x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube, and I'm going to take a factor out of 3, and inside we get x square y plus xy square. Now if you notice something here, you will see that this is 183 and this is what's this again? This is 182, right? So let us just rewrite this a bit. I'm just going to scroll down. So x plus y whole cube is equal to, what can we say, 183 times plus 183 plus 3 times 182. 3 times 182 is 546. 546 plus 183 should be 729. Now 729 is 9 cube. We should know this. X plus y is equal to, similarly we can just cube root both sides and we get x plus y is equal to 9. Now what was x, what was y? X was root a, y was root b. So we'll just write this as root a plus root b is equal to 9. Great. Anyway, let's just look at this equation again, the second equation. What if we say x square y, this is what is given to us, x square y plus xy square is equal to 182. I see that we can factor out an xy and write this as x plus y is equal to 182. That means, since we know what x plus y is from this, we're just going to plug it here. So that means xy is equal to 182 by 9. Great. So now we have found xy, we found x plus y. What is it given to us? Find 9 by 5 of a plus b. What is a plus b? X square plus y square. How can we write x square plus y square? X square plus y square is equal to x plus y whole square minus 2xy, right? This is a good way to write it. So we have to find 9 by 5 of this. So I'm just going to do 9 by 5. Right, and inside we're going to do x plus y whole square. X plus y is 9, so 81 minus 2xy minus 364 by 9. So let's just simplify this. It becomes 729 minus 364 by 9. We can cancel out these 9s here. Hold on. This is equal to 9 by 5 into, this is going to be, what do we get from this? We get 365. 365 by 9. These two cancel out. Leaves us with 365 by 5. Which is equal to 73, and this was the right answer. This was a pre-RMO 2017 question. We manipulated it and solved it elegantly. Now of course, these kind of questions are non-routine questions, and they might not be there in our school textbooks. So if any of you are interested in mathematics, this kind of mathematics, which is going to be very helpful in Olympiads, I suggest you please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, if you want such questions, you can always go and visit the playlist in our YouTube channel called PRMO, because I think this was a good question and we had solved it quite simply. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.